one thing I must say to you all, do subscribe my videos if you are new on my channel, and already watched guys, you can also subscribe if you don't, with your friends and family. Do watch, do support me. Be happy, stay calm. Assalamualaikum. Hey, how are you? I hope you are doing well and pretty good. I'm good too, alhamdulillah. And how your days are going? So I'm here with you to share something, a new feature of the YouTube short videos, but unfortunately it cannot work in Pakistan, but India and other countries it can work and people use to it. But as you know, Pakistanis are so much creative, yeah. It gives you alternative solutions to you, and we have a mobile phone, make a video in a portrait way, often in a standby position and make a video of 2 minutes or 3 minutes as per your content, as per your talk, as per you want to make a short video. It's all up to you. And other than that, you can follow one rule. It's like you can eat 3 times a day. So it's also need to work in uploads like morning, afternoon and evening or night as per you want. You can upload your videos on your YouTube channel, so it can get more real-time views on your channel, on your videos. Inshallah, it can be working day to day. You can working on it and it will give you succeed, inshallah. And I hope you like my videos, and if you don't like, so subscribe my channel, like my video, share it with your friends and family members, and follow that new feature YouTube short video. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.